Sometimes you start doing a job and you wish you'd not started it. And that happened to me today. Have a look at this toilet. Flipping heck. So here it is, one of Better Bathroom's finest, and we want to change the siphon because it's not working. Here's another type of system that you might come across from Better Bathroom, sorry. The ball valve is coming up there and pops in here. This is the siphon. The siphon's knackered, so I've had to take the toilet away from the wall. It's a great big heavy bugger. And then when you look under here, there are nuts and bolts instead of wing washers. So it's quite an awkward job. And like most of these bathrooms, you can see it was silicone down, so that took some shifting. Anyway, I'm going to change this siphon in here now. These are a two-piece screw. Right, so your nut is still on the back of that, it won't come off. The top bit that goes through the cistern goes through that screw, but I need to get that out. Now we can't use heat because it'll just crack the toilet, and that's seized on. The nut on there is seized on proper. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'll have a play with it. So what I'm going to try is, this is the one on the other side. I'm going to put that through that screw. So that goes home, and screw that into there. Right, so I have to hold on the nut, the back, tighten that up as much as I can, and hope that that'll hold the middle while I get this back nut off. Right, I'll have a play with that now. No, that failed. That failed. I'm going to have to get my saw in there somehow and cut it out. What a bugger. Ah, that's plumbing for you. Always fun. Okay, so trying to plan B. Get a span on the back of it. Try and drill this out. And that's how we got it out. What a bloody item that is. So after I got that nut out, it was just straightforward siphon replacement. I don't know why they just don't leave designs alone. Why they keep reinventing the wheel. But there you have it, we have to put up with it. Anyway, see you next